Waking up in Jamaica. This is my mother's house. But this is where I grew up. Could I see the sea from here, so you can see a piece of the sea right here, so. And looking that way, you could see the sea, especially when ships coming in, you could see the sea, but now you only can see one little piece here. Focus camera right over the whole stop right there. So one little piece. Yep, but this is where I grew up. All these big houses never there. Just this one was here. This red top one wasn't here. That one wasn't here. That one in the bush was here. And this one was here. But this is where I grew up. I saw a little house all about down that's what I do by bushes. But this is what I miss about Jamaica. Cockacrow morning time. I'm just so peaceful and quiet. It feels so good to wake up in Jamaica. People one time they must drown in that water, yeah.
If you get that, huh?
Move Michaela, my drop. Maya?
Aye, come.
But this is the local river. Pardon me, pardon, let's not say. Go on with the father. One time the river here, this is the river. We used to come and wash, bathe, do everything. Look how down here bush here. One time when they start keep dance and something down here. But this is the local river where I used to come.
Big little river. This is the famous big river. This is the river that I love the most. And that is my famous big sister.
My brother, I see my brother there.
Shoot out. Usha, 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 usha.
And this is a deep water. It's full of something now. And when we moved to my France, so yes, I come beer the morning went down.
This is the spot where I normally spend all of my birthday from hide by myself. I have one video right there, sir.
There's somebody come beer. But we don't left from my France.
Yeah.
It's all there. That's my niece, Michaela.
Jump, jump, jump.
What about jump? Use a stereo.
Of course, him jump. What a fresh, huh?
Only one dry him. Alex, you know easy. After you.
Right now, we just come out. All right.
Yeah, all right.
Alex, water cold? Jemai want to swim too? Jemai, you want to swim? Mosquito, they like rice to they like.
Yeah, mosquito. Yeah, me like
Ah, j'ai trop chaud.
Maya want to swim?
Ah, j'ai trop pas nager.
Oui, on va y aller, on va y aller.
Alex?
Big river style.
That's my baby brother.
Your baby brother.
Me to change that peanut boy.
Look how me people them find money everywhere around Jamaica.
Where them find money?
Jamaica find money, me. How they?
Never complain.
You know how much money that Maya? Jemai find? Let me see it. How much money you find?
Me put him in my pants.
Ah, when mosquito bite me, look.
Hey,
You catch him?
Yep.
And in full of blood, you know.
Never complain.
Alex,
What a nice time jump on me.
who you talk to? No, sir.
Me yet Auntie Moy 1 year.
Kill him, Ben, no, Michaela? Jump off out of there. We come a apple bush. Come a apple bush, but we don't get no apple. The apple line young on the tree. This is the apple tree right here. Something they really take up 2 apple plants. Take care of one for my mother, one for my sister. But I'm in the bush. Things like this may miss, even though we go away for bush around. But there's even man over there have beard. Next it as a day pan. But me not showing. Anyway, I'm getting out of this bush. Remember one time I can't eat, you know. Oh God, I miss this place so much. Acupuncture, real when I acupuncture dinner.
Yeah. Big river settings.
Big river settings, acupuncture.
You there?
Real bamboo.
Oh, so look.
Everything.
Yeah, this is how the ripe chocolate look. If you notice, the color, it changed color to yellow when it's ripe. The hollow inside is where the beans are from. Normally the beans have some white areal around, you know what I mean? As kids we used to like this thing because it's really nice and tasty. But yeah, Switzerland, this is where cocoa bean is from. And chocolate, that's chocolate.
Mommy say hello. Mommy.
Hello.
A video. I do one video.
A vlog video?
Yeah.
A vlog?
Vlog, Makela, vlog. I do
Yeah, a
vlog.
vlog?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pero lang mo.
We go to beach.
Turn on at the way, Papa.
Somebody have come from a hilltop there. I'm going to check if the door locked. And now we go to beach.
Turn on system.
It's a little bit too big for my website.
Look at the castle. Whoop!
Sorry.
Me have him. Famous Winifred.
You pay your bills to the restaurant or no? Not yet. You pay your bills to the restaurant or not yet?
No. Oh shit. Can when Kyle reads see, the man walk out in the water and stay looking at her. So now somebody said he goes to see me.
So we finish now.
My God, look there.
I didn't want to put too late.
That's only liquor one. I said, they cut anyone already?
Oh, but one day they saw.
Then you drop this, you take out, see, you go to people food? Or you drop this, you take out, see, you go to people food?
We jerk chicken and soup, that's it.
Look at my hand.
Eat the mango now.
But this funny, my man today.
You ever see anybody eat mango so rasta, man?
Hey, I'm man, watch him. You want to visit this?
I have your mango, man.
The grandson is
Eat that, Jama, eat. Swim. Swim. Swim, Reed. Eh? You have to wait until the water come? Alright, the water soon come here. Come water, come to Riri, come.
Jimoy, come on.
Makela move now. Where Riri, again swim man. You done swim? Okay.
He saying they go for John.
This is our princess.
Cause he He's supposed to get John down because
Alex,
he
look.
said he stand up out of school get the whole time and he couldn't get no time.
Ow!